Now we go to second scene. The second scene, act number 2. Our Iago has manipulated so many plans. Roderigo was given charge to provocate Cassio, and he is impatiently waiting. There is a fight between Cassio and Roderigo that would create a lot of commotion, that would make Othello unhappy, and his prejudice or his angry will make him to dismiss Cassio from the service. That is Iago's plan that we saw in the last scene. Now scene number 2, the same elder gentleman reading the proclamation. In the dynastical rule of kingdom, the public announcement will be there. Now here general has produced a proclamation. Oh, it is Othello's pleasure, our noble and valiant general. A gentleman with a proclamation of letter announcing to the public. It is Othello's pleasure. Who is Othello? Our noble, valiant means brave, general of Cyprus. Upon certain tidings now arrived, our general has given certain directions or proclamations that upon certain things now arrived, importing the mere perdition, destruction of Turkish fleet. All the ships of Turkish people destroyed. So it is the first proclamation that our enemies were destroyed. Mere the perdition of Turkish fleet, the very man put himself into triumph. Our country has won the battle. So what we must do? We have to celebrate. Second announcement is celebration. Some people can dance, some make bonfires, just like putting firecrackers. We can celebrate until our satisfaction. Each man to what sport and revels his mind to leads him. Besides these beneficial news, it is a beneficial news. What all the news now by the proclamation done? 1, enemy is destroyed. Second, there is a chance for celebration. What type of celebration? We can put firecrackers and we will dance together. It is a celebration of his nuptials, and also it is additionally attributed. Our Othello, our general, newly married, they are going to enjoy nuptial night. What is nuptial night? We always call first night. We call Adiratri. They are going to enjoy the nuptial night. So Othello has given us freedom to enjoy until the most. You can utilize these total hours of the night and enjoy yourself. A nuptial, so much overseas pleasure should be proclaimed. All offices are open. Even though today's night time, tonight, all the offices will be open with liquor, dancing, celebration, firecrackers. All people can do anything in this Cyprus. All offices are open and there will be full of liberty. Everybody will be given total freedom to enjoy. From the present hour 5 till the bell hath tolled 11. Up to 11 o'clock in the night, there will be a total freedom. You can enjoy. Heaven bless the island of Cyprus. This island, Cyprus, will be blessed by God. So all the people can enjoy and dance and drink and make merriment till 11 o'clock. Isle of Cyprus of the noble General Othello. We go to third scene. A hall in the castle, enter Othello, Cassio, Desdemona, three important characters. They are talking inside the castle. Now, good Michael means Cassio, Othello calling Michael, look you to the guard tonight. Oh Cassio, you are my lieutenant. Do one thing, you guard the place. Watch. Have a very close watch to the public. Let us teach ourselves the honorable stop. If it is a right time, not to outsport discretion. If our celebration should not go beyond control. Means what? Though total freedom given to the public. Yes, you have a police duty because you are lieutenant. You have to watch. Iago hath directed me what to do. Iago, your friend, had told me what I must do. But notwithstanding with my personal eye, will I look to it. Don't worry, my dear Lord. Almost Iago has given me lot of directions. Besides that, I will do my duty. I will watch over here. Othello again telling, Iago is a most honest man, Michael. I know Iago, he is a very honest man. Good night tomorrow with your earliest. Michael, Cassio, I want to talk to you tomorrow early morning. Then till that moment, goodbye. Let me have a speech with you in the morning. As a lieutenant, I have so many personal things to talk to you. Come, my dear love, calling Desdemona. Come, my dear love, we can purchase made that the fruits are to ensue in our bedroom, apples, wine, and so many other fruits waiting for touching. Oh, my dear Desdemona, let us go to our bedroom and take our apples. To profit you to come betwixt me and you. That is in a way or another way telling we can share our fruits. Lot of fruits are kept there because it is the first night. So we shall share our fruit from one lip to another lip. That may be a crazy thing. Good night. By telling Desdemona and Othello go into their bedroom. This time again our Iago, malignant villain, appearing, calling Cassio looking, welcome Iago, we must to watch. Iago, our general had told me to watch the whole public in and around. You also have to assist me. Iago, not this hour, lieutenant. It is not yet 10 o'clock. What to watch now? Almost 9 o'clock. Till 11:30 there is plenty time. Don't go now. It is too early to watch the places. Here there are no problems at all. O'clock and every for the love of Desdemona, who let us not therefore blame. He hath not yet made wanton the night with her. She is a sport for Joe. It has some indirect meanings. Why should we go and talk to the public, my dear Cassio? Today is a nuptial night for Desdemona and Othello. They are going to enjoy, let them enjoy. They have different sportive spirits. Let them do anything in the night today. We don't harm and disturb anybody. Cassio telling the real truth, outspokenly telling, she is a most exquisite lady, right? What a beautiful lady she is. Cassio commenting. Such comments Iago wanted. And I will warn her full of game in Shakespeare and even T.S. Eliot have used so many images of sexual copulation. In T.S. Eliot's Wasteland, he has brought so many images. Shakespeare also in Tempest, and here also now they are doing now here in Tempest they are compared to chess game, in one movement to the other and the other movement to the left, like that. Definitely there are so many images Shakespeare uses for sexual copulation. Here also he says they are in full of game, they are doing some games, physical games, means here love making. Cassio, indeed, I should say, indeed, she is the most fresh and delicate creature. Underline. Oh, what a beautiful lady. I don't know, there is no such beauty in Cyprus or Venice. Such a beautiful girl. She is a very delicate creature. Iago, what an eye she has, methinks. Oh, Iago telling, എന്തൊരു മനോഹരമായ കണ്ണുകളാണ്. It sounds me purely a provocation, methinks. It sounds me കണ്ടാൽ നമുക്ക് അവളെ നോക്കിയിരിക്കാൻ തോന്നും. എത്ര മനോഹരമായ മീനാക്ഷിയുടെ പോലെയുള്ള കണ്ണാണ്, മീനിന്റെ ആകൃതിയിലുള്ള. ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആയി. Purely provocation. Sometimes we will lose our own status and go behind. Cassio, inviting eye, what you said is true. She would demand attention from others. Such an very, very attractive eyes she has. Once we look to Desdemona's eyes, we will be looking passionately to it. Very, very look at me color like eyes. Yet methinks she is right modest. Even though she has very attracting eyes, I believe she is very modest girl. Iago, when she speaks, it is an alarm to love. Whenever she speaks to somebody, that we will get an impression that she would create an atmosphere of love. That is correct. It is indeed a perfection. A lady's perfection is like that. What? Whenever a lady talks, that talking should be very admirable, very worshipful. Iago will happens to their sheets come afternoon. I have a stop of wine. Our Iago's plan what? To give him 2-3 pegs in the night and make some troubles. In order to make troubles, Roderigo also coming. So in between Roderigo and Cassio, after some liquor, there will be a fight. This fight needed by Iago to report to Othello, by Othello coming, dismissing him from the service. For that, Iago telling, I have kept 2-3 bottles. You want one? I have a stoop of wine, means bottle of wine here without a brace of Cyprus gallons that would feign and measure of the health of the black Othello. We will drink black label, red label, any type of brandy or whiskey or alcohol or wine. Now let them enjoy. Othello and Desdemona, let them do games. We will think about the games, what they do, and we'll drink. Are you ready? Cassio, no. Tonight, I have a duty. Duty time, Cassio won't drink. No. Good Yahoo, I have very poor and unhappy brains for drinking. My Iago, I tell you truth. When I take 1 peg of brandy or whiskey during the time of duty, my brain will lose. So I will lose my control. Drinking, I would well wish courtesy would invent some other custom of entertainment. So during the night time, drinking not required for me. My duty is first. So I must look into my duty. Iago, Oh, they are our friends, but one cup I will drink for you. If you do not drink, don't worry. I will drink one cup. Okay. Then Iago takes and take Casio. Ha! Drank one cup tonight. That was certified, qualified to behold what innovation it makes me. I am unfortunate to infirmity dire, not to task my weakness, but anywhere. Okay, some people are like that. If you compel me, I will take one cup. Not behind that. If I take above one cup, my brain will lose. Then Iago, what a man! It is the night of the revels. Today is just think about your master doing some games with the mistress. Just think. Then automatically you will take 2-3 pegs. But I promise you, take only one peg. I am unfortunate. What tonight their revels? What are they here at the door? I pray you call them in. Cassio, I will do it, and it dislikes me. Iago, if I can fasten but one upon him with which he hath drunk tonight already, he will be the full of quarrel and offence, and my youngest mistress dog. Now my sick fool Roderigo. I have another man there. His name is Roderigo, whom love has turned almost the wrong side to Desdemona. It is reported that a man has a love towards our mistress, Othello's wife Desdemona. Tonight aroused potations and put deep into watch. These leads to Cyprus noble swelling spirits, the whole their honor to a distance, the very elements of warlike I. Here I tonight flustered of the cups. So he also promised me that he would drink 1 or 2 packs today, because Roderigo is totally frustrated. He wanted to marry Desdemona, but Desdemona was married by Othello, our general. Now from Venice, he has reached here. He has planned to drink tonight and make some troubles. Advanced information given to Cassio. But our Iago is planning to make Roderigo to fight against Cassio. That is the problem. I am to put on the Cassio in some action that may of the isle. This time Mondano, Cassio, and others here. But here, they come. Look, if consequence but copy my dream, my boat sails freely with the stream. Cassio, for God they have given me an arouse already. Some people, they during the night of the celebration make me struck. Cassio, for good they have roused me already. Mondeno, good faith a little one to postpone. I am a soldier. Iago, some wine also. So there are totally a mood of celebration. During this time, Iago wants to give some people some drinks. After that drinks, some people should fight. This fight should reach some other commotion that would make a trouble. So Iago, who is very malignant and cunning, plans to give others liquor, and he does not drink. Iago singing song, not wanted. Cassio forgot excellent song. Iago, I learned it from England. I have studied such a song, so many songs. You have seen some people after drinking 2-3 packs will begin to sing songs. Here also Iago pretending that he has taken drinks and he began to sing songs. Ireland in England were indeed they are most potent in the pudding day in York, German, swell nothing to England. Cassio, is your Englishman so expert in drinking? He asking. In England, everybody drinks. Cassio asking. Iago, why he drinks you with the facility? You deign that drunk, sweets not overthrow your alarm. He gives your Hollander vomit. Next bottle, will Cassio, to the health of your general. Then Cassio, out of his limit, take 1 peg and drinks. Mondano, I am for it, Lieutenant. I will do my justice. Again, Iago, oh sweet England. Iago begins to sing a song. that songs in tragedy, no importance at all. Casio, for God, this is more executive song than the other. The first song, best. The second song, the ever best. Iago, will you hear it again? You want one more song? Then Cassian, no, for I hold he is unworthy of his place. Does he sings God's love all? There his souls must be saved. No, I don't want to spend much time in front of you with drinks and songs. I must be watchful. I should be dutiful. Iago, it is too good left for my own part, no offense in general. Please mind Cassio, I don't want to put you in trouble. I am a simple man. As our master told, I am an honest man. Iago, and so do I, Lieutenant Cassio. Anybody who leave before me, the lieutenant is to be saved before the ancient let her. Anyway, Iago, if there are any troubles here, you come and save me. God forgives our gentlemen. Let us look into the business. Let us go to our business. Let me do my duty. You also go to your duty. I am drunk. Oh, my head is losing. This is my ancient, my right hand. This is my left hand. Iago, who gave Cassio drinks. It was a very strong drink. After 1 cup or 2 cup, our Cassio began to lose control. I am not drunk now. I can stand well enough and speak well enough. No, all people excellent will. Cassio, very well then, you must not think I am drunk. Mondano, to the platform, masters, come, let us go to the watch. Mondano telling, okay, let us go and watch the people. This is a celebrating day. All people are doing, there should not be any problem. So let us go to our duty. Mondano as a leader says. Now what is going to happen in this night? What Othello takes action, that we will see in the next class. Thank you.